Herbs are multifaceted and strengthen multiple body systems. Choosing the right herb depends to a certain degree on identifying a specific system of the body to strengthen. However, many herbs strengthen several systems simultaneously. So in a way, you can't go wrong once you have the basic knowledge down. For example, let's say that you fall and end up with a wound on your knee. You'd ask yourself, what systems of the body need strengthening? The answer would be the integumentary system, skin, the musculoskeletal system, muscles and bones, and the immune system to prevent infection. On the other hand, let's say your daughter has the beginning signs of a urinary tract infection. You'd ask yourself, what systems of the body should I strengthen? This time, the answer would be the kidneys, urinary tract, and immune system. See how easy this is? You can make smart decisions based on this way of thinking. A lot of it is just based on common sense. I'll be discussing the different body systems and the herbs that target each system in the coming chapters. This completes your introduction to herbs. See how easy it is? How this book is set up. In the next sections, different herbs will be detailed from the standpoint of how they strengthen the body. Choosing an herbal remedy is often based on the system of the body that's ailing. For example, if you have a cold, you wouldn't choose an herb that predominantly works on the digestive system, you'd choose one for the respiratory system. The different systems of the body are as follows. 1. Digestive system. 2. Respiratory system, nervous system. 4. Integumentary system, skin. 5. Endocrine system, glands and hormones. 6. Musculoskeletal system. 7. Immune system. 8. Lymphatic system, part of the circulatory system. 9. Reproductive system. 10. Kidneys and urinary tract. Each of these systems will be explained in more detail in the next chapters of this book, and we'll also discuss herbs and foods that strengthen each system. Let's learn about the herbs you might use for the different systems right now. Are you ready? 1. The nervous system. The components of the nervous system. The nervous system is the master communication center of the body. For years, it was believed to consist of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves, and it was thought to be an electrical system similar to telephone wires. In the old view of the nervous system, a message could originate from any part of the body. It would then travel through the nerves to the brain, resulting in an action or thought. We now understand that the nervous system goes beyond this simple explanation. The nervous system consists of hundreds of chemical messengers throughout the body, all interacting and moderating each other in a very complicated system. How do herbs improve nervous system functioning? Herbs are useful in promoting the health of the nervous system in a variety of ways. For example, they provide nourishment and protection for nerves. They also help ease migraine and sinus headaches, and they can help you focus when you're feeling a bit foggy. Herbs that improve nervous system functioning fall into two groups: nervine, or calming, herbs, and stimulant herbs, which enhance energy and give you a mental lift. Let's take a look at some herbs that benefit the nervous system. Energizing and relaxing herbs. Chamomile, Matricaria recutita, Matricaria chamomilla, Anthemis nobilis. When you feel as if you need something to calm you down or help you relax, chamomile is a good choice. Though it's always the flower of the plant that's used for creating remedies, there are different types of chamomile that herbalists commonly use. For nervous system health, I like to use German chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla. It's an easy herb to grow, and it's great for children as well. German chamomile is an annual plant that likes full sun. Chamomile may reduce stress and discomfort, and it's useful for digestive health. It's also soothing for teething and colicky babies. A fun fact, chamomile is the tea that Peter Rabbit's mother gave him to drink. Basil, Ocimum basilicum. Basil is tasty and packed with health benefits. It aids concentration and relaxation. Did you know that basil has been used to relieve anxiety and headaches? Basil actually benefits the whole body. It has anti-inflammatory actions similar to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen. This action could come in handy when, for example, your son has fallen and hurt his elbow and it's already inflamed and reddened by the time you see him. Or it could be useful when your grandmother is complaining about the aches and pains in her joints. There are many other examples of when anti-inflammatory herbs could be used. Basil helps regulate blood sugar levels, can relieve spasms, and benefits the circulatory system too. Besides adding great flavor to your food, basil is a rich source of vitamins A and C and has abundant amounts of magnesium, iron, and potassium. Historically, this herb has been used as an aphrodisiac and an antidepressant. This makes perfect sense, since someone who is depressed certainly isn't in a romantic mood. Basil is also quite aromatic, and there are different variations of it, such as cinnamon basil, lemon basil, and Thai basil. Check out each one of these for some interesting flavors while cooking. Nutmeg, Myristica fragrans. Nutmeg is used for a lot more than eggnog. Did you know that nutmeg has been used since ancient times as a brain tonic? Whenever the Greeks or Romans felt a little mentally sluggish, they would use nutmeg to perk themselves up, both mentally and intellectually. They probably didn't know they were improving their nervous system functions, but they did know that they felt better after taking it. Modern science has shown us that nutmeg possesses substances that may relieve stress and anxiety, and it's an effective sleep aid. It also has antibacterial and muscle relaxant effects. Nutmeg should only be used in small amounts. Pregnant women may wish to avoid nutmeg, as it may be linked to miscarriage. Nutmeg contains copper, iron, potassium, and magnesium. Peppermint, Mentha piperita. Peppermint is a cooling plant. This means you'll feel cooler when you drink a cup of peppermint tea or when you use it topically. The plant contains a substance called menthol that provides this cooling sensation. Peppermint is in a family of plants with many others, including spearmint, apple mint, and pineapple mint, all of which have different flavors. I've even seen chocolate mint. Dr. Donna grows chocolate mint in her herb garden. Adding any variety of peppermint or its relatives to herbal mixtures is a delight. My first choice of medicinal mint is always the original peppermint plant, although the others work also. Peppermint is an example of an herbal stimulant. Drink a cup of chilled peppermint tea if you have a dreary task ahead of you, and it will wake you up and help you focus. Peppermint is also terrific for abdominal distress. Enteric-coated peppermint oil capsules sometimes provide relief for people suffering with irritable bowel syndrome. And if you ever have gas, it's time to grab the peppermint. In a matter of minutes, the gas will be gone. The advantage of herbal stimulants such as peppermint is that they're caffeine-free, so they don't give you that jittery feeling that sometimes occurs when you drink black or green teas or coffee. Too much caffeine can take a toll on the adrenal glands as well. Illnesses and remedies of the nervous system. Stress headaches. Stress headaches are characterized by the feeling of a band around the forehead and tight neck muscles. The pain is steady and sometimes throbbing. Treatment of stress headaches focuses on prevention and lifestyle changes. When you're stressed, you may unknowingly tighten the muscles of your body, including those in the forehead and neck. By paying attention to this feeling of tightness in your head, you can start treating a headache before it gets bad. This is an example of how to use prevention to positively affect your health. One way that you can treat headaches is with essential oils. They're very concentrated essences of plants, and they hold a very high energy level. The energy level of the plant's essential oil is transferred into the person who uses it. Essential oils have many useful properties. They can be antibacterial, antiviral, relaxing, antifungal, detoxifying, and more. Next time you have a stress headache, try one of these remedies. Lavender steaming. One way to deal with stress headaches is to add a couple drops of essential oil of lavender or basil to a bath. You can also make a steam bath using the following instructions. Add a few drops of lavender oil to a bowl of hot water. With a large bath towel, make a tent for yourself by covering your head and the bowl with the towel and breathe in the steam from the bowl. Be careful not to knock over the bowl. Breathe in the steam for about 5 minutes. You'll feel instantly relaxed and your face will look revitalized too. Lavender tea compress. Lavender can also be made into a compress and applied to the neck or forehead to enhance your relaxation. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon lavender flowers, 1 cup boiling water, 1 hand towel. Instructions: cover the lavender flowers with the boiling water. Strain the liquid and soak the hand towel in it. Wring out and apply warm or cool as desired to affected region. Next video, we will talk about stressless teas and aromatherapies that benefit nervous system. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click to subscribe. Your support is my greatest motivation for creation.